So tip number one is just expect for it to be frustrating. And then tip number two, this is one that really helped me so much. Find out if there's any holes in it and trim it out. And then I'm going to show you how to avoid making a hole when you tighten it. So I'm trimming it out so that there are no holes. So use wire cutters and then make sure that it's flat. Run your finger across it and make it flat. Be careful not to cut yourself. You could also use like a flathead screwdriver, but you want this to be as flat as possible because it's really hard to get it onto the vent. So if there's even like the slightest millimeter left crumpled up, then it'll be harder to put on. Now this is my secret. You're going to take your dryer vent installation tape, and then now we are going to tape it. Before we put it on, we're going to tape it right up to the edge. This is going to help your clamp grip, and then it's also going to make it so when you tighten it, it doesn't rip. There's so many times where I finally get it on and then you finally tighten it and the whole thing rips and you have to start over. And this has been the biggest help that I have found. So that you're going to tighten this clamp on top of the tape. So now line it up, make sure it's all the way on there, and then get your clamp ready. You could hold the clamp with one hand and then hold your drill with the other. And I would definitely recommend using a drill with a bit like this, even though you could use a flathead on this type of clamp. I mean a Phillips on this type of clamp, the bit will lock on more. And then now I'm making my drill to the highest power, and then I am tightening it all the way. So now it is tight, it's on there good, it's not going anywhere, but we're not done yet. We are going to tape where it connects, so you want to actually have some tape on the metal part of the actual dryer and then the rest onto your vent. This will make it completely airtight. You could even turn on the dryer and check for any leaks. So that's what I'm doing here, turning on the dryer, and then you could feel around it, and if you feel any air coming out at all, then you could take your tape and seal it up around there. This will make sure that next time when you pull out the dryer to clean it, that there won't be any dust or any heat. A lot of times I pull out the dryer and there's a huge mess behind the dryer, and that's because it wasn't sealed up good. And it will also make your laundry room dusty, and then it'll make it really hot, which in Florida you don't want that. So now I am making sure that it's on, and then that's how you do it. That is the secret on how to connect your dryer vent to your actual dryer.